Vice President of India election stays set for C.P. Radhakrishnan and Sudarshan Reddy. The Vice President of India, the former Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigned. There is no requirement in the constitution to conduct the elections of Vice President within 10 days or 15 days because no time frame is given. With respect to President election, the election should be conducted within 6 months. With respect to Vice President election in constitution, time frame is not given. But the Election Commission of India have taken a quick decision and organized entire structure for VP, Vice President's election. And most probably, CP Radhakrishnan is going to become the Vice President. And from India bloc side, Sudarshan Reddy from Telugu states, he is contesting. And the Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college, which consists of the members of both houses of parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, including nominated members will also participate in the Vice President election in Rajya Sabha. Even nominated members will participate in the Vice President's election in Rajya Sabha. And the Vice President is elected by an electoral college, which consists of both houses of the parliament in accordance with the proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. The voting in the Vice President poll is done by secret ballot. The electoral college to elect a person to office of the Vice President consists of all members of parliament, including nominated members in Rajya Sabha.